Hello friends on the internet, my name is Janet and you can call me Jen Jen. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please make sure to click subscribe. Today we are going to do a first impression review and swatch for the new Urban Decay Backtalk palette, which has 4 different colors for face and 8 different colors for eyes. If you're interested to see how I did this eye look, make sure to continue watching. Alright, so I just went ahead and put some foundation, powder, eyeshadow primer, and brows on. Now let's look at the palette. I literally just got this like 30 minutes ago and I am recording this, so you guys need to subscribe because this is the kind of beauty blogger you guys want to see, right? So it comes with this box, and inside it looks like this. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like matte and there's like shiny stuff on top. When you open it, it looks like this. I think these two are blush and these two are highlights, and there's like a little mirror in the middle, and when you open it on the other side, those are eyeshadow colors. So I think we should do a little swatch and see what we think. Since there are 4 colors and we have 2 sides of face, I guess I can just skip swatch and just put it on my face and show you guys how it looks like. Grab my blush brush, and I'm gonna try this color first. It's called Cheap Shot. Oh yes, I like myself some Cheap Shot. Oh my god. Okay, this is a little bit too crazy. Very pink. A little goes a long way, y'all. Let me see if I can blend it out, because if not, that's bad news. What do you guys think? It's very pretty. It's like neon-ish pink. It's not what I would normally put on my face. I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend it out now because that was very crazy. It's very pink-ish, and it has a little bit like a white-ish reflection. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's very different, I'll say. And now let's try the other side with this more orangey color, and I will put just a little bit and tap it off because oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. Isn't this crazy that I have 2 different colors on my face? I guess this is what people do when they are beauty bloggers. I feel ya girls now. What do you guys think? Can you see the difference? Oh, by the way, I turned like the beauty thing off on this camera, so my face isn't crazy filtered. Well, I feel like I kind of used the same brush. I fucked up right there. So the colors isn't really showing as much difference. This one is a little bit more orangey, and this one is definitely very, very pink. It's nice because I don't have any color like that. Now let's try the highlights. I think the white one is gonna go better with the pink, and the golden one is gonna go better with the peachy one. So let's try that. It is those very white kind of highlights, which to me I think is more day-to-day and natural looking. Let's try the orangey-ish one. And I know I'm using the same brush, but I'm using 2 different sides. I think it's pretty nice and it's very natural. Maybe what I'll do is I'll still do a little swatch on my hand and show you guys, since the face and the brush situation didn't really work out. This is the super pinky one, Cheap Shot. This is the one that's called Double Take. Can't really see. Seriously, how do people do this? Oh, there we go. Low Key Party Fool. Here. It's kind of hard to see. I think it looks pretty natural on the face. It doesn't look like I have crazy amount of highlights or crazy amount of blush, other than this side that I kind of fucked up. Otherwise, it looked really good. Now, let's move on to the eye and see what I can do with this. But I gotta wash my hand first because I only have 4 fingers, but I have to swatch all this. Seriously, how do you, like, beauty bloggers do this? Because, okay, be right back. Gotta wash my hands. Ugh. This time I was smart. I brought tissue and I also brought wet wipe with me so I can show you guys. Let's do it! Oh, this mirror is kind of annoying. I'm gonna remove it for now. So, here are the 8 colors. I guess I'm gonna swatch those 4 first and then show you guys the other 4. And I am kind of looking at my highlight now. It looks good. I like it. So, here are the first 4 colors. The first one, the lightest one, is called 3 Sheets. The next one is called Bare, Curve, and Backtalk. I really like this Backtalk color. Oh, I mean, it is the color, the name of this palette. So, very nice. I'm excited to put it on my face. Now, I'm gonna wipe this, be all pro and shit, and show you guys the other 4. Okay, here are the next 4 colors. Shade, Attitude, WTF, and 180. I really like these 2 and I can't wait to try them. And these 2 are, I don't know how I feel about this one. It's like a shimmer dark color, which usually for dark color I would prefer matte, but we'll see how to use them. First, I'm gonna clean that because that's just nasty. Oh, and this is not makeup remover wipe. This is what you use to wipe your toilet, and it's what I could grab right outside of this room, so don't judge. I think I'm gonna take 3 sheets first and put it all over my lid as a base. And then I'm going to use Backtalk and put it a little bit closer, just up to the crease. I'm using all those technical words and like crease, lids, blah blah blah, like I really know what I'm doing, but to be honest, I really don't. I'm just winging this, so it's nice. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in a bit more so you guys can see my face real close. And then I'm gonna grab the pointy brush and use this color right here, the what the fuck, and put it in the triangle area to deepen it up. This is how I usually do my eyes. I put the matte colors in first and then I put all the more shimmery colors in because I think matte is easier to blend and usually gives a really good base. And I'm going back with the fluffy brush to just clean out the edge a bit more. So now I am very excited to try the shade and Attitude because we only have 2 eyeballs. I think I'm gonna put shade in the front and Attitude at the end of the eyes and see how that turns out. I like it. Now I'm going to go in with Attitude, which is the color that I'm most excited about. So pretty! I mean, the goal here today is to use as much color as we can. I think this color is going to be my favorite in this palette. Okay, so top is done, and what I usually do is I would go in with a lighter highlight color and put it in the middle to kind of blend everything together. So I am going to grab that Bare color. You know when you paint your nails yourself and everything looks like crap, and then after you put top coat on, everything just turned out so great? This is what I do with eyeshadow. I just put some shimmer color in the middle of the lid and then everything turned out great. Now we'll finish the bottom. I'm gonna grab a skinnier brush and use the 180 color here. And when I do my bottom, I always do it like a little wing, so I know where to connect later when I put my eyeliner on. And if you're too lazy to put eyeliner on, you can totally use this color as an eyeliner. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this color called Curve and connect it with the brownish color that we just put earlier. The eye look is done. I'll zoom in closer so you guys can, and show you guys. Now I'll put an eyeliner and mascara on. Oh shit. I just poked my fingernail into this. Press it down. Try to fix it. That's what everyone do, right? Whoops. Back to the eyeliner. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a winged eyeliner tutorial. I will do that. God, what's wrong with my voice? Going to go grab my eyelash and finish this look. I just put some eyeliner on and I put some mascara, and my eyes are totally watery because I think I hurt my lashes, but that's just what happens when you're in a rush. Anyways, what do you guys think about this look? I really like the two colors that are a little bit shimmery that I put in the middle, and I also really like how it has different colors that I usually don't use and I don't have in my collection. So I am definitely going to try use this again. But in terms of the blush and the highlighter, I don't really see myself using it too much because it's just not the color that I'm used to. But I think it's a really good palette in terms of when you're traveling, you can always bring it with you. And it has everything that you kind of need for your face. You just need to bring foundation, powder, and eyeliner and mascara on top of that, and that's all you need. So if you like this look, if you like my review, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.